Babe.
Hey, Franklin, why don't you come over here and let me take care of that lonely ass?
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house, you know what I'm saying, the business, everything, and you his cousin, nigga, you said you was gonna help.
He ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it, for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on, shit.
All right, then. Shit.
Shit, I got to show him everything.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right. Where your wheels at?
Shit!
Hey, wait up! I don't want to be shooting. I thought you was making bank.
What is this?
That's what I'm talking about. You doing it old school.
All right, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh, man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
Hey, nice car. Can I have a ride?
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie. What you waiting for? Get in there.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you? Man, you hit me.
Okay, I seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down, and it should slide right in. Alright, baby. Back it up nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopeheads. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could've sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Yeah! You know how I like it. All right, sugar, you can unhook it now. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool? Is that Pete? It's Tanya. You don't want the one, Tanya? Yeah, JB's girl. His sale's out a minute, so he asked me to let you know that the job's all done.
Man, you got off lucky, homie.
Hey, girl. Is Dad there?
You're a racist.
What?
You don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Excuse
Something
me.
like that. Wait.
That
Oh, wait,
boy.
I-
I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for me?
James DeSanta. Some kid. He is already late on his payments, and I have this bad feeling that he will do more damage to the car than we can get back from him in the exorbitant interest rate payments, huh? Just go and get it. The house is on Hampstead off Eclipse. It's an SUV. Huh? Some Rockford Hills daddy's boy nonsense. Don't worry about it. Try to bring the car back in good condition, huh?
I got you. Don't worry about it.
It's so good to see you, my boy. Hey, good luck in law school, huh? So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simi?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Just because you have a massive gaper, bitch!
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
He tried to knife attack me? No one creeps.
I'll cut your dick off if you call. Holy fucking shit, bro! Dad! Dad, there's a dude! Dad, help! Dad!
He tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog.
You're a waste of semen, bitch!
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like, more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with.
Thank you, Coach.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro. Well, you're a great student. Now just loosen up those hips.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, loosen them up. There you go. And follow through. Perfect.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm getting it.
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repos.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yetarian.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, this is just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Way too high strung for this town.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Do it. Come on, kid.
Shitty situations, dawg!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you've pissed...
You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'm gonna be using your car.
Jesus!
Okay, I'm calling the police right now.
No way!
I had to make
What exactly is wrong with you?
Citizens report a 415 on Adams Apple Boulevard in Pillbox Hill.
Ah, just in case I wasn't having enough fun already. You should get some help with that personality of yours.
Stop your car! Can we not go any faster?
Give it up! You're surrounded!
Fuck you!
What is happening? Fucking hell, man! Touchback.
You know how much this car costs?
You are impeding police activity.
That's being stupid, okay?
Shit! Fucking blind? Hey, you my dude, right? That ain't good. Keep coolio, baby. It's just a car. Crap! I just hope you have proper hatred for yourself. Ooh, too close!
motherfucker!
Hi! Hey, hit me up on Life Invader later!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Hey, you! Really? When I say you suck, I mean you really suck.
Stop that right now, or I'll report
You make me wanna puke. So sorry.